पीरियडिक टेस्ट फर्स्ट 2022-23। इससे पहले कि हम इसका सॉल्यूशन आपको बताएं, अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें। शुरू करते हैं क्लास 9 साइंस का पेपर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द चेंज ऑफ स्टेट फ्रॉम लिक्विड टू गैस इज कॉल्ड vaporization. 2. A plant cell placed in a hypotonic solution will not burst because of the presence of A. Answer is correct, cell wall. How many daughter cells are formed in meiosis? Answer is 4. Question number 4. The speed of 36 km per hour is equivalent to, its answer is 10 meter per second. What distance traveled a body is 0. Its displacement A must be 0. One word answer. Can displacement and distance ever be equal? Yes. What is represented by area under velocity time graph of body? Answer is distance or displacement. Give two example of unicellular organism: amoeba, bacteria, etc. Question number 4. Name the process by which CO2 or O2 get transported across the plasma membrane. Answer: diffusion. Convert the following temperature to the Celsius scale. 300 Kelvin. Kelvin means subtract 273. Find the answer in degree Celsius. 27 degree Celsius. 573 Kelvin equal to 300 degree Celsius as shown in the paper. Very short answer type question. अब इनके आंसर हम आपको इन राइटिंग आपको बताएंगे आगे। पेपर देखिए। कम टू द वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर, जहां से आंसर अभी हमने ब्रेक किए। Why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup? Answer is, in saucer surface area of liquid is increased. Much area, much evaporation. Much evaporation, fast cooling. So we are able to sip hot tea or milk faster. Next question. A piece of chalk can be broken into small particles by hammering, but a piece of iron cannot be broken into small particles by hammering. Explain. Why is it so? Answer. It is so because chalk is brittle, iron is malleable. Chalk is broken into particles and not iron. What is sublimation? Sublimation is a process in which solid direct convert into gas and gas convert direct into solid without going in liquid state. Example: camphor, ammonium chloride. Next question. State two type of plastids. Write one function of each. Two type of plastids. Number 1, chloroplast. It help in photosynthesis. Number 2, leucoplast. It store the starch. Next question. What will happen to a cell when it is placed in hypertonic solution? Cell will shrink. In hypotonic solution, cell will swell. Short answer type. Question. Difference between mitosis and meiosis. Number first. Mitosis is a process where a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells with same number of chromosomes. Whereas meiosis is a process where a single cell divides twice to produce four cells containing half amount of chromosomes. Half number of chromosomes. Describe the structure and write any two function of Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus, the figure is shown. It is membrane bond vesicle inside the cell. It is packed by parallel cisterns. Two functions. It is factory of protein. It acts as a packaging center of the cell. Third question. Why are chloroplast commonly called kitchen of the cell? The chloroplast commonly called kitchen of the cell because it prepares the food for plant. Next. Why are lysosomes commonly named suicidal bags? Lysosomes are commonly named suicidal bags because it digests its own tear and wear cell. Next question. A bus starting from the rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square for 5 minutes. Calculate the speed acquired and the distance moved. In this question, given u equal to 0, a equal to 0.2 meter per second square, we have to find t is given 5 minutes equal to 300 seconds, and also distance have to find s. First of all, find b. V equal to u plus at. U is 0 plus a is 0.2 into t is 300 second. Answer is v equal to 60 meter per second. We have to find s. S equal to ut plus half ad square. Calculate it, and answer will be 9,000 meter. Question number 5. Give reason. A gas filled completely the vessel in which it is kept. Reason. Gas particle occupies whole area where they move. B. A wooden table should be called a solid. Reason. At room temperature it have distinct boundaries and fixed shape. See, we can easily move our hand in air, but to do the same through a solid block of wood, we need a karate expert. Reason. The particle of air have very less force of attraction between them, but the block of wood have too much force of attraction between its particle. So, we are not able to pass our hand through the wood block. Long answer question. Tabulate the difference in characteristic of state of matter. Solid. They have fixed shape and volume. They do not have liquid. They do not have fixed shape but have fixed volume. Gases. They neither have fixed shape or fixed volume. Solid. Particles in solid do not flow. Liquids. Particles in liquids can flow from higher level to lower level. Gases. Particle in gases flow in all the direction. Solid. Particles are located at fixed position and these particles can only vibrate about their fixed position. Liquids. Particles are moving continuously with some velocities and are not fixed at a position. Gases. Particles in gases are haphazardly moving and exert pressure on the wall of the container, and so on. Many differences are given here. You can learn 4, 5 or 6 or more than. Next question. Rigidity. It is a quality of matter to be stiffness which resists change of shape of solid. Compressibility. It is defined as the change in volume from external pressure. Fluidity. It is ability of substance to flow. Kinetic energy. It is an energy possessed by motion of an object. Density. Density is defined as a mass per unit volume, D equal to m by V. Question next. Why is plasma membrane called a selectivity permeable membrane? Answer. Plasma membrane is called a selectively permeable membrane because it allows some selected material in or out of it. B. What is a cell? Why is cell called the structural and functional unit of life? Answer. Cell is the smallest unit of living organism. It is called structural and functional unit of life because all the reactions and functions it carry out. Next question. What does the odometer and speedometer of an automobile measure? Odometer measure speed and speedometer measure speed or velocity. B. Speed. Speed is defined as a total path covered upon time. It is a scalar quantity. Speed equal to distance upon time. Velocity. It is defined as a displacement upon time. It is vector quantity. Velocity equal to displacement upon time. Next question. A racing car has uniform acceleration of 4 meter per second square. What distance it will cover in 10 seconds after start? In question given, something is given, that is u equal to 0, a 4 meter per second square, t 10 second, s have to find. Write formula s equal to ut plus half a d square and calculate it. 0 into t plus half into 4 into 10 square, 0 plus 2 into 100 equal to 200 मीटर. तो ये था यूटी फर्स्ट का सॉल्यूशन. आपने फाइंड कर लिया होगा, देख लिया होगा कि आपने पेपर में क्या किया था. और जो इस साल पेपर दे रहे हैं उनके लिए ये एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन पेपर है. इसको पढ़िए, लर्न करिए. अगर आपने हमारा अभी वीडियो सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, लाइक करिए, कमेंट करिए, पढ़ते रहिए. थैंक यू.